Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video it's going to be men's haircut with clippers. I'm going to show you how to do men's haircut, and a little disclaimer, I'm not a professional. I'm a housewife and I have all three are boys, so I do this all the time. So this is the first time I'm doing the haircut for my husband, and it's like I was little scared with that. So it's pretty long, so I'm taking out all his length so I can start from his neckline. Now I've started using the clipper, keeping the comb as a guideline. I am just clipping all his hair. Here I am using the 12 mm. I think the maximum is 12 mm. So 12 mm hair guard. I am using it to sniff out all the hairs. So you can see here I am just scooping it out like how you scoop ice creams. For example, just let's scoop it out like C posture, insert and scoop it out. That's how slowly you can fade out the hairs. Yeah, now I am using the ear guard and doing is right ear. That's how you do for the ears, and I am again doing for the left ear, I think left ear. When you have a long hair, you just slowly decrease your guard from 16, 12, 9 and 6. Only then you can fade out, or if you do directly to the minimum like 4 or 2 mm, you will be giving a tight fade and you can see the head actually. So the reason for giving them like 12 mm and 4 mm or 6 mm, it represents how long your hair has been grown. Actually, if you are using 2 mm, it's for like 2 weeks of hair growth, and 4 mm for 4 weeks of hair growth. That's how you use the guards actually. And now I am just blending in the top of the head hair to the fade out part. See, you can see that I'm taking it and blending it as like horizontal cut, straight cut, you can say. Now I'm going to cut the front, and actually I'm sorry, I forgot to ask him to turn around and start taking the video. I just continued with that, but I have attached a clip where you can cut how to cut for your straight hair and for your curly hairs, how to blend in and how to do the cuts so that you don't have that sharp straight haircut. So here we have our first model. He has a straight hair, and if I cut him like straight through the eyebrows, it will be like a very sharp cut. So what I'm doing is taking a section in the front and clipping the rest in the back. Uh, just hold the hair, and where you need to do that, actually if the hair is falling in front of your eyes, just above the eyebrows, or if you don't want to show your forehead very big, So just cut it like vertical snips, like a soft cut. That's how you can blend in the hair. So again I am taking another session, and with the first layer as a guideline I am doing the same. Likewise, you'll be having a doubt that why didn't I cut my kid's hair. That's because my kid doesn't want to have a haircut, but still I just did the same for his hair, just trimmed it, evened it a little bit. So you just do the same, move the hair to the next side and even it out like what I said. Actually, do a vertical cut instead of horizontal cut, so that will give you a brushed look, not sharp edges. So now turning around, so from the top of the head, how to blend in the other hair fade out part. Just take the part, blend in like that, hold it like that, and you can do the horizontal cut or the vertical cut. Both will do good for the curly hair or the straight hair. That will blend in perfectly. So next for the ear guard, this is left ear, I think, I'm not sure, but the guard where it fades to the lower part, you have to just take it out and comb it towards the back. So that's how you take out the extras near your ear. That's called, actually, if you can check it in the Google or YouTube, it's called taper fade. That's how it's called. Here we have our second model. He has nice curly hair and it will get tangled very nicely. I know who has like curly hair. So what I'm going to do is partition the hair nicely. Whatever you do, the curls will get the hair will get curled up at the ends, so you don't have to worry that it has to look brushed up or it will get straight lines. No problem. You just do the same as I said, like partition your hair where we are going to take the line, and in small sessions hold the rest of the hair in the back with the clip and do the haircut. See, it's hard with him. Handling him is very hard. So I'm holding the hair with 2 fingers. You can do like straight vertical or the horizontal. Both will go good with curly hairs. And again, I'm not a professional. I do this all the time for like 2-3 years. I myself cut his hair. I don't have any problem with that. Again, you have to do the same. Take partitions slowly one by one and you can cut the hair vertical or horizontal. And again, you have to take the hair to the next side. I would say if you are cutting on the left side, you have to again move it to the right side. Take a line on the right side, move it again, and then do the same to have an even cut. So again, take some partitions and do the horizontal or the straight cut. That's it. So there is one advantage of the curly hairs is that when you comb out, it will blend in. Actually, it will blend in. You will not see the straight lines. It's default that end of the hair will curl up. See, you can see that's how it will curl up and it will blend in, so no problem. And coming to my husband again, now you can see I'm using the shaver to tightline his neckline. Whenever I use clippers, it hurts his skin, not his skin. I've used it with my kids, so that will hurt their skin. So this time I tried with the clipper and I'm sorry, with the shaver, and it worked fine. satisfied with the haircut. I really loved the way it came, and I should really thank my husband for being a model. Actually, he is the number one model here. And when I asked him, he generously said yes, okay, you can take a video. And this is how the haircut is. Hope you like the video. See you all in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.